Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at my allotment again, and what I'm doing today, I've just started to do my bouldering now. I've dug one hole, which is my pilot one, which is in line with this fence here, so I can get the scaffold board to go up and then go around and right along. So I'm going to do as much as I can today. The only thing what takes up the time is digging the holes and getting them in the right place, and then I've got to concrete them in as well. So I'm going to carry on with this, and as you can see, I've dug the hole, got the fence posts, and I've dug down. I'm putting them down about a foot down, and I've got to line that up, and I'm going to put the concrete in there and set it. I've got a quick setting postcrete. I've got to line this up with this because I've got one section of the scaffold board going across there to border it off and box it in, so it's going all the way up and around. So I've got all my things ready. I hope I've got enough, I've got screws and everything. So I'm going to carry on with this, and as we make progress I'll show you what's going on. Right everybody, so the progress we've made so far, I've got the corner one in and I've cornered it off. It's not exactly square how I want it, but when when the concrete and everything's set, then I'll chop the top of these off and neaten it up a bit more. But I've got this corner in now, and then I've got another one here, so I'm going up to this one, and then I'm going to go up and across and line it up with this cloth here what I got. It was here when I came here, I haven't used it, so I'll just leave it there just in case. So the next step now is to get this one up to the corner where I want it, up to the corner, and then I have to get a corner post in to hold it in, or maybe I might have to put two posts in there to hold that one up, but I've got to get another one in here somehow, or another two in here. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to get this section in up to the corner, then I've managed to just get one. We've run out of the postcrete, so I've got to go and pick up some more of those, and then I want to go all the way up there. I've laid the boards there, so it's all ready, so I just got the holes to dig, fill them in with the postcrete. As you can see now, it's looking a lot neater. When I fill that in, then it'll be easier for me to strim. So that's what we've done so far. So you can see the progress is coming, and we're getting things done. So hopefully it should be looking nice. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so went round and I got some tree mulch, so that's what I'm going to be doing all the way around. It's a bit green at the moment, but we got up until March, April for it to rotten down. So once I've finished all those beds, then I'm going to fill it in like this. When it goes down a bit, then I'll top it up, and then it'll compost down, and then I'll be able to put some plants and that in there. Got the roses and that still in there. So that's what's happening with the fencing. So I've got that, the rest of it to sort out all along. I've got a pot of ginger, what was in there. I don't know if there's anything in there because it's been waterlogged all the time. This was in the polytunnel. So I'm just going to empty it and see the dirt is thick in there. This, right, so got some roots. Got a few roots of ginger out of there. So you can grow ginger in a pot, but you need a big pot. Another bit. No, that's the shell. That's the shell from the. I think next time what I'll do, I'll plant it in some coir. Let me just rinse this off and then I can show you what it looks like. So you can see oh, I dropped a piece right in there. Would have to be me, innit? I dropped a piece. So from the ginger what I planted, that's what I got. Don't know if I can get that piece out. Let's have a see if I can see it now. You can see all the soot and everything what's in there. I don't think I'm going to get that find that piece. Nah, I don't think I'm going to find that piece, but that's what grew. Another piece fell in here in the water tank, so I'll have to get something and clean out this water tank. It's got a lot of silt and everything in there, but this rake is not the right rake for it. Didn't realise that it had so much stuff in there. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Gonna have to see what I can do about that, getting something to clean that out. What I do with, I didn't drop my glove in there. Right, so that's the ginger what I got. Can see how it was growing more. These bits, and then another big bit fell in the tank, but as to stay in there. Right. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I've started my boxing in. Gonna make it a lot easier for when I'm streaming. I can go right up. Then I've got to level out these 2 beds, level out everything, and then we're good to go. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until the next time.